Good morning from Plant-Based Dallas. Cooking up some breakfast potatoes this morning. If y'all will start with 3 or 4 organic new potatoes, chop them up into small little cubes, rinse them really well in the water to get all the starchy stickiness off of them. Lay them in a single layer pan. This is a 14-inch Vollrath ceramic pan that we love, got it off Amazon. Salt and pepper, single layer, turn it on medium-high heat and cook them up, let them sit for a while, and then turn them, let them cook some more. This morning I think I'm going to throw in a bunch of mushrooms at the very end, cover them and steam them just a little bit to have mushrooms and potatoes, possibly stir in some greens with it as well. So here's how you cook your breakfast potatoes in the morning. Sprinkle on a little bit of turmeric and black pepper, and you have got a wonderful meal. Have a great day. Bye-bye.